Hello guys, hello ma'am. I'm John Martino. I'm gonna make composting. I have different of soil of fertilizer. I have coconut shell. I have tree bark, and I have leaves, and I have grass, and I have eggshell, and I have mud, and I have water. So I'm gonna put some. I'm gonna put first this coconut shell. Next, I'm gonna put a tree bark. I'm gonna put this tree bark in here. Next, I'm gonna put some leaves. Next, I'm gonna put some grass. And I'm gonna put this eggshell.
Oh, itu tak dapat betang.
Yep, let's add some more of eggshell. And I'm gonna add this mud. And I'm gonna put some water. I'm gonna add again of this coconut shell. And I'm gonna add some tree bark. And I'm gonna add leaves.
Tina.
And I'm gonna put this the grass. And I'm gonna put this last one, this mud.
Ano nga?
And the last one,
Okay.
And
then,
we are finished our composting. Thank you for watching.